Hi, I'm Dr. Troy Scott on behalf of Transworld Energy. I want to show you a product that we're currently working on and actually have optimized that solubilizes paraffin in crude. This is a paraffin that we've spun out of solution. This is a paraffin crude that's we spun the paraffin out of. As you can see, it's highly viscous, very waxy. And is not soluble at all. This is an issue in the collection system, also in the wellbore, particularly at cold temperatures. This is at room temperature right now, about 75 Fahrenheit. This paraffin came from this crude, which is significantly less viscous than it had been. Prior to this, there was paraffin caked on the bottom of this entire bottle. We then spun that out, crashed it out. What we're going to represent to you today is about a 5% cut. It's my understanding that paraffin concentrations are usually between 2 and 5% in a problematic well, weight per volume. If this paraffin were in solution at a higher temperature, then we would use 1,000 times or even 10,000 times less of our product in order to keep it in solution from crashing out into solidified paraffin. So it doesn't really matter how we add this at this point, so I'm going to add the product to the actual crude. You can see the crude pours out quite easily. And then the agitation right now, it's going to require agitation, which it would in the field as well, in order to get this solidified paraffin into solution. Okay, so as you can see here on the spatula, we have the solidified paraffin. So we'll just continue to agitate. Okay, so here we are. About 20 seconds later, you can see it's significantly smaller. We'll continue to stir it. And again, the amount of product that we've added is very quickly emulsifying this paraffin. It's gone. 30 seconds. Okay, as you can see, about 30 seconds later, 30 seconds of agitation, the paraffin is emulsified. There's a little piece right there, actually, tiny piece. But for the most part, we can't find any of it, any of the 5 grams of paraffin in this solution. What's most important here, now that it is emulsified in the paraffin with a completely biodegradable food-grade emulsifier, we will not be able to suspend that paraffin or recrash that paraffin out of solution. It's now essentially permanently in solution.